Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Pipedrive CRM export contacts and reports easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Pipedrive CRM account and log in. Navigate to the Contacts tab on the main dashboard. Select the option to export your contacts. Choose the file format you prefer for the export, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection and begin the export process. Once the export is complete, locate the downloaded file on your device. Open the file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the columns to ensure all required information is present, such as names, email addresses, and phone numbers. Look for any inconsistencies or missing data in the contact entries. Check for duplicates by sorting the columns or using the built-in functions of your spreadsheet application. Next, navigate back to Pipedrive and go to the Reports section. Select the specific report you wish to verify or analyze. Download that report in the same format you used for exporting contacts. Open the report file and review it for completeness and accuracy. Cross-reference the report data with your exported contacts. Identify any discrepancies or missing information throughout the comparison. If you find areas that need correction, address those within Pipedrive. Make sure to re-export contacts and regenerate reports as necessary for updated verification. Finally, keep your records organized and regularly verify both exports and reports for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.